Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.